In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and let me show you how to activate and use Talkback on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings, click on accessibility, and now select screen reader. Here you will notice voice assistant, so if you want to activate it, just mark the switcher, tap on allow, click twice to select it, and as you can see now it is active. Here you can come with the whole tutorial, but basically all you need to know is written right here.
When voice assistant is on, your phone provides spoken feedback to help blind and low vision users. For example, it describes what you touch, select, and activate. If you turn voice assistant on by mistake, tap the switch until an outline appears around it, then double tap it to turn it off. Perform the same action for the OK button in the confirmation that appears in list 5 items.
So it is how it works. Just mark some icon, then double tap to select it. And to scroll, just use your two fingers. And to turn off screen reader, just mark it. Click twice to select it. Select voice assistant, click twice, and confirm that you would like to turn it off. Double tap. And that's it. So this is how you can activate, use and deactivate Talkback in your Samsung. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.